Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on NOKIA G22. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. And from there we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can pick and enable any apps to allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can do the same thing with all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or color. You can click on the test button to see the LED lamp and it should be right here by the default. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.